Are you tired of slow draining showers, sinks and toilets? This changes everything we know about how to fix blocked drains and repair damaged sewage pipes. A revolutionary new method is now available in Australia which can fix your sewage system in a day, without having to dig up and replace your existing pipes. The problem is, regular drain clearing services such as jet blasting only remove the blockage, they do not treat the underlying cause. Repeat blocked drains normally means your pipes have been damaged, and until they are fixed they will continue to let in foreign objects such as tree roots. Repairing damaged pipes can be hard, especially when they are located under concrete, your pool or garden. So here are 3 tips on what you should ask for in any quote, before proceeding with any pipe relining work. Tip 1. Can you do pipe patching? Sometimes, only an area of your plumbing system has been damaged. Your plumbing professional should be able to fix just the damaged area instead of your entire drain network. Tip 2. Are you able to carry out junction repairs? Typically tree root infiltration occurs in pipe junctions which are more susceptible to cracks, leaks and dislodgements. These junctions can be repaired. Even if these junctions are concealed under landscaping or concrete, a relining expert can use robotic cutting tools to cut or reinstate the junctions back into the main line. Tip 3. Can you carry out UV pipe relining? If your pipes are getting old or you are concerned future tree root damage is most likely due to the location in which you live, the least expensive long-term service might be to pipe reline your entire sewer drainage system. Usually backed by a warranty of at least 35 years, this will significantly enhance your pipelines and ensure tree roots are kept out completely. Marrickville plumbing experts provide reliable, cost-effective blocked drains and pipe relining solutions using the latest European technology. Their focus is on helping potential customers get advice that matches both their needs and their budget. For those that want to learn more, call 9159-3755 for an obligation-free quote.